So this time our focus is about current trends and issues in investment analysis and portfolio management. No? So rise of sustainable and ESG investing, no, or in investment analysis and portfolio uh, management. No? So one of the most significant trends, no, in investment analysis and portfolio management is the growing emphasis on sustainable and environmental, social, and governance or ESG investing. Investor increasingly consider ESG factors when making investment decision, aiming to align their portfolios with ethical and sustainable values. So that this trend has spurred the development of ESG-focused mutual funds, no, ETF and rating systems, challenging traditional financial metrics by incorporating non-financial factors into performance assessment. How about the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning? The adoption of AI and machine learning in investment analysis has transformed the way portfolio managers predict market trends and evaluate assets. These technologies enable more accurate forecasting, no, pattern recognitions, and sentiment analysis. Let's say, for example, no, AI-powered algorithm can analyze vast data sets in real time, helping managers identify hidden investment data opportunities and risk. No? In these trends is shaping how portfolios are optimized for both returns and risk assessment. How about the increased use of alternative investment? Investors are increasingly allocating funds to alternate investments such as private equity, hedge funds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies right now. No? And these assets classes offer diversification benefits and the potential for higher return, no? Especially in volatile markets. However, they also present challenges such as illiquidity and higher management fees, no? Requiring careful analysis and monitoring by portfolio managers. Shift toward passive investment strategies. The popularity of passive investment strategies such as index funds and ETFs continues to grow due to their low cost, no, and consistent market matching returns. And this trend has reshaped portfolio management as more investors shift away from actively managed funds. No? However, this has also raised concern about market concentration and reduced price discovery as significant share of investment flow into passive vehicles. Impact of geopolitical uncertainty is also another consideration in current trends right now because geopolitical events such as trade wars, conflicts, and shift in global alliances significantly affect investment analysis and portfolio management. And these events introduce volatility, no, into financial markets, prompting portfolio managers to adapt strategies to hedge risk, such as diversifying across regions and sectors. Additionally, geopolitical uncertainty has increased the focus on safe havens assets like gold and US Treasury bonds. Right now, we need also to consider the rise of thematic investing. Thematic investing, which focuses on trends like clean energy, technological innovation, and demographic shifts, is gaining traction because investors are increasingly building portfolios around themes they believe will shape the future. While this trend offers the potential of high returns, it also involves higher risk as thematic investment are often concentrated in specific sectors of or regions. Another is the focus on personalization and customization because advances in technology had made it easier for portfolio managers to offer personalized investment solutions tailored to individual goals and risk tolerances. Robo-advisors, no, and other digital platforms use algorithm to create customized portfolios for retail investors, no, democratizing access to sophisticated investment view as strategies. A while ago, I mentioned about emergence of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with blockchain technology, are reshaping the investment landscape. While this asset offer high growth potential, their volatility and regulatory uncertainty remain their major concerns, right? So portfolio managers uh, must carefully weigh must carefully weigh the risk and benefits of incorporating cryptocurrency into diversified portfolio. Another thing is the regulatory changes and compliance challenges. The evolving regulatory landscape present both opportunities and challenges for investing or investment portfolio or investment professionals. Portfolio managers must navigate complex rules regarding transparency, reporting, and client protection. Now, recent regulations such as the European Union's Sustainable Finance Disclosure Regulation have further highlighted the need for compliance with ESG-related disclosure. Another is focus on risk management amid market volatility. The increased frequency of market shocks, such as those caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, has emphasized the importance of risk management in portfolio construction. So techniques such as scenario analysis, stress testing, and dynamic asset allocation are being increasingly used to safeguard portfolios against unexpected events. Another is advances in behavioral finance applications. Behavioral finance continues to influence portfolio management as managers use insights into investor psychology to mitigate cognitive biases. No? Tools and techniques that address biases like overconfidence, loss aversion, and herd behavior are become integral. No? Uh, or becoming integral to crafting better investment strategies and improving investor outcomes. And lastly, increased demand of transparency and accountability. Investor today's demand greater transparency regarding portfolio management processes, pace, and performance. So the adoption of fintech solutions and advanced analytics has enabled more detailed reporting, enhancing trust between investor and portfolio manager. Additionally, the focus on accountability is driving the adoption of frameworks like the Global Investment Performance Standard or GIPS for consistent and ethical performance measurement. So, to cut in short, the trends in issues reflect a rapidly evolving investment landscape that requires portfolio managers to adapt to technological advancements. So changing investor preferences and global economic shifts. No? Staying ahead in investment analysis and portfolio management demands a combination of innovation, adaptability, and adherence to ethical and sustainable practices. Okay?